Good morning, all of you. Today I am presenting here an article. This article topic is the Indian scenario on COVID-19. Here I discuss some important points. That are main important points are introduction of this article and case study from 30 January to 24th June 2020. Government initiative that were taken, common prevention measures, treatment of COVID-19, direct and indirect effect of COVID-19, and conclusion. Now, introduction. COVID-19. In late December 2019, a pneumonia outbreak took place in Wuhan, Hubei province, China, and spread quickly nationwide, now officially known as severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2. SARS means severe acute respiratory syndrome. On 30th January 2020, Director General of WHO declared that the outbreak of novel coronavirus 2019 nCoV constitute a public health emergency of international concern (PHEIC) as per the advice of International Health Regulation Emergency Committee. On 11th March, WHO declared the novel coronavirus disease COVID-19 outbreak as a pandemic. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, several challenges faced by population as shelter, health issues, and education, economy loss, and so many concerns. In this article, I am discussing here some important issues like case study, government guidelines, direct and indirect effect of COVID-19. Case studies from January 30 to 24 June. This was taken by the WHO, India की साइट से लिए हुए. On 30 January 2020, a laboratory confirmed case of 2000 and COVID-19 was reported on Kerala. First जो case इंडिया में रिप्रेजेंट हुआ that is on Kerala में. On 16th February, 5 more cases were reported as a confirmed case. As on 9th March, a total of 44 confirmed cases were reported. On 5th April 2020, total 3577 confirmed cases was reported and 83 deaths. On 3rd May 2020, total 4263 confirmed cases and 1306 deaths. On 7th June 35,657 confirmed cases and 6642 total deaths. On 14th June, 308993 confirmed cases and 884 total. On 25th June, 410461 confirmed cases and 13254 total deaths. On 24th June, 461828 confirmed cases and 14577 total deaths. As of total cases, their recovery rate is approximately 57% and fatality rate is only 3.2%. It is very less compared to other countries. अब मैंने 7th जून स्टार्टिंग डेट ऑफ मंथ से 16 से 7 जून तक की टाइम टेबल बनाया, तो उसमें कंफर्म केस 16 फरवरी में 5 केसेस थे, डेथ्स एक भी नहीं थे. 9 मार्च में कंफर्म केसेस वर 44, डेथ्स 0. 5 अप्रैल 2020 में कंफर्म केसेस 3577, डेथ 83, and 3 May 2020 40,263 confirmed cases and 1306 deaths. And 7 June 2020, 235,654 confirmed cases and 6,642 deaths. Government initiative. First government initiative was taken as Janta Curfew. Janta Curfew was observed on 22nd March 2020 in the wake of pandemic. Lockdown. After the Janta Curfew, lockdown started. First lockdown was start on 24th March 2020 to 14th April 2020. This is phase 1 lock. 15th April to 4th May 2020, phase 2 lock, second phase 2 lockdown, and 4th May to 17th May, phase 3 lockdown, And 18th May to 31st May 2020 phase 4 lockdown, and 1st June to 30,000 2020 phase 5, and it is also called as unlock 1. Several special trains flights started under Vande Bharatam mission. India launched a mobile app known as Arogya Setu app. On 2nd April it was launched, though a public-private partnership to enable people to assess their risk of COVID infection. Awareness project as COVID-19 Academy is contributing in building the necessary awareness on emerging science and diseases epidemiology of this evolving outbreak through a series of daily treatment of COVID-19. Till now, there is no proper treatment. No vaccine is developed. Some respiratory problem medicines and antimalarial medicine like hydroxychloroquine given for some relief of COVID positive persons. Ayurvedic immunity booster drinks, proper isolation and yoga as exercise recommended to COVID positive cases people. Direct and indirect effect of COVID-19. Online education system become powerful, and students and teachers develop new strategies in this pandemic situation. Due to lockdown, there were crime rate also decreased, and accidents rate is also negligible. Environment is pollution free, smooth air, fresh breeze and clean sky. Government had taken so many projects to overcome the polluted water of river, but they can't work. At this time of this pandemic situation, all river not get polluted and their water is clean. People developed cultural and moral values. They learned to live with some limited conditions. Conclusion. Overall conclusion is that COVID-19 cases increases day by day globally, but rate of recovery is variable from country to country. It's good that in India recovery rate is approximately 56% at the time of June, but now it is increases. It will be 76, 72%, and it is increases day by day. And one more fortune to Indians is that our death rate is very, very less. Some positive aspects seen as online teaching, develop moral and cultural values between people, and our nature is free of any type of pollution, pollutants, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good luck.